Please scan your items. When you're finished, select the Pay Now button.
Welcome. Please scan your first item. Do you wish to continue? Select payment type. Welcome. Please scan your first item.
Scan coupon now. Insert coupon into slot near the blinking light. Touch. Enter phone number, then touch enter. Place your item in the bagging area.
Wait till he gets back. Yes, you should.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
And you for shopping at Shopper.
Please help us reach 500 subscribers by the end of 2026. Please like and subscribe and more videos will come soon. Thank you for watching Mitchell Party Center.